Hey you guys, it's Samantha, and today I thought would be the perfect day to go to Eataly. Yes, I said Eataly. They actually just opened up their first location in Canada. So I'm gonna go and check it out. They claim to kind of have something for everyone, whether you're looking to dine in at one of their restaurants, if you're looking to go to their marketplace and do some grocery shopping. They also have takeaway meals, a cooking class, and a brewery. So literally, they've got a little bit of everything, and I'm gonna go check it out and see if it's worth all the hype. So fresh. Those 5 ingredients, that's all you need.
I also have the margarita pizza al Catalino.
The moment I've been waiting for. Pizza. There you go. It smells so much as the season it came out. It's fresh basil and tomatoes. The Frito Misto. So this is a mix of different seafood and vegetables. So fresh. It's not greasy at all. Like, it's really nice and crispy. It doesn't have any excess oil. Really yummy. You can tell it's fresh. So they're freshly filling our cannolis right now, right in front of me. Dessert time with a little cannoli gelato. It's fat, like it is filled to the brim. It looks so yummy. I just got the classic one because I really wanted to try just for the flavor, the base flavor of it all. Oh my god. That is the best cannoli I've ever had. I will stand here and say that. It's so rich and velvety, and it's not too sweet, and then this just like crumbled perfectly. It didn't fall apart. It wasn't flaking everywhere. Absolutely delicious. We got our gelato here. I wanted to try the classic vanilla bean, and then the maple because obviously Canadian. It's a very subtle vanilla. It's not overpowering. You can tell it's not artificial. I think that's the biggest thing. A little maple here. Curious about this one. This one I think is my favorite. That is unreal. It's like almost like a buttery toffee maple. Yum. You're both just shaking their head in approval and satisfaction. Alrighty, so I am back from visiting Eataly, and I have to say, was it worth all the hype? Yes. Yes, it was. There is so much to do there. There's so much to see. The restaurants are incredible. The food is really yummy. The marketplace, you can get everything from your packaged meats to fresh meats to cheese, vegetables, anything you need they have. Your olive oils, anything Italian. The cooking school looked really cool. It was really pretty inside. The whole feel of it was magnificent. It's massive, way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I knew it was going to be huge, but it was way bigger. They don't take reservations. It's first come, first serve. So if you want to go, get there a little earlier. Thanks for coming with me, guys, and I'll see you next time. This is Samantha with Narsity.